Inverse means the opposite, an inverse ratio. That means an opposite. Invert means to turn upside down or inside out. An inveterate smoker is a habitual and deep-rooted smoker. Invidious remarks are designed to offend and hurt and create ill will or envy. An invincible person is unconquerable. Inviolable means something that cannot be violated. Your fundamental rights are inviolable rights. Invocation. An invocation is a prayer to God for help, calling upon someone as a reference or for support. Invoking means to call upon, ask for. I invoked my advisor's aid. That means called upon and asked for. Invoking the emergency would mean to enforce. Invoking the tada or the pota would mean enforce it. Invulnerable means incapable of injury. Duryodhana was known to be invulnerable except in his thighs. That means incapable of being injured. Iota is a very small quantity. An irascible person is easily irritated, easily angered. An irate customer is very angry. Iridescent means exhibiting rainbow-like colors. Quartz is iridescent. An irksome character is annoying and tedious and like a gadfly. Ironic means paradoxical, something that is contradictory in manner. Irony means hidden sarcasm or satire, and it is synonymous with paradox. Except irreconcilable means incompatible. Irreconcilable differences are those which can never be made compatible. You cannot patch up with somebody. Irrefutable means indisputable or incontrovertible. That means refute means to disprove. Irrefute means something you cannot disprove. Irrelevant is something that is not applicable. Irremediable means something that cannot be remedied or cured. That is incurable or uncorrectable. Incorrigible is a synonym for that. Irreparable damage is something that cannot be corrected or repaired. Irrepressible forces are those which cannot be restrained. An irreproachable reputation means blameless or impeccable. Beyond reproach. Reproach is criticism. Beyond reproach means beyond criticism, therefore flawless and immaculate. Irresolute people can never take decisions. They are uncertain about how to act. They keep vacillating. Irretrievable losses are those which cannot be recovered. Irreverence means lack of proper respect, blasphemy and profanity. Irrevocable damage means something that is unalterable or irreversible, cannot be reversed or cannot be withdrawn, because revoke means to withdraw. An isotope is a varying form of an element. An isthmus is a narrow neck of land connecting two large bodies of land. An itinerant is a wandering person. Itinerary is the plan of a trip. Jabber, if you continuously jabber, that means chatter rapidly, it is unintelligible and people cannot understand what you're saying. Jaded, a jaded appetite means fatigued and surfeited, that means having lost its sense of attraction. Jargon is language used by a special group, technical terminology. Synonyms for jargon are argot, parlance and lexicon. Cant is the jargon of thieves. Jaundiced views are prejudiced. Jaunt means a short trip, a short journey. Jaunty means light-hearted, animated, easy and carefree in attitude. Jeopardize means to endanger or imperil, put something to risk. When you jettison something, you throw it overboard, throw it out of the aircraft or the ship. Jibe, we are jiving well, that means we agree or we are working in harmony. A jingoist is an extremely aggressive, militant patriot. Jocose means given to joking. Jocular means something that is said or done in jest, jokingly. Jocund means merry. Jollity means gaiety or cheerfulness. When people jostle for a place of honor, that means they shove and bump with each other. Jovial moods are good-natured, jovial people are merry. Jubilation means a major rejoicing. Judicious use means sensible, sound in judgment. A juggernaut, Tendulkar can be a juggernaut sometimes, irresistibly crushing force. The word Jagannath is derived from the name of the deity in Puri, Orissa. The name of the deity is Jagannath. As the tradition goes, every year there's a Rath Yatra. and once Jagannath's chariot starts moving, it does not stop. Therefore, this derived word juggernaut means an irresistible force which will crush anything that comes in its way. Juncture means a crisis or a joining point. Junket means a pleasure trip, especially one taken by politicians or an official at public expense. Junta, Junta, means a group of military dictators who form what is known as a cabal. Jurisprudence means the science of law. Justification is good or sensible reason. Juxtapose means to place side by side. A kaleidoscope is a tube in which patterns are made because three mirrors are stuck together at angles. Kaleidoscopic society means multifarious and variegated. Variegated, which means multicolored. Ken means range of knowledge. Kernel means the central or the vital part, the seed. A killjoy is a grouch who is a spoil sport, who will unnecessarily meddle and who is very conventional, who does not allow others to enjoy life. Kindle means to start a fire or inspire, ignite. Kindred means related, similar in nature. Kinetic means producing motion. Kismet means fate. A kleptomaniac is a person who has a compulsive desire to steal something. Knave is an untrustworthy person, a rascal, a rogue, a rapscallion. Knead means to mix dough, and when you are working with dough which is used to make chapatis or bread, kneading is mixing. Knell, Knell, means the tolling of a bell. Other words for tolling of a bell is peal, Peal, or for small bells it is chime, Chime. Chiming also means working harmoniously. Knit means to contract into wrinkles. Whenever he is angry, his brow knits in a frown. That means grow together in wrinkles. A knoll is a small little round hill, just like a hummock. Knotty problems are intricate, difficult and tangled. Kudos means honor, glory, praise. Labile, something labile is likely to change, it is unstable. Laborious tasks demand a lot of work. A labyrinth is very complicated and it is like a maze. A laceration is a torn, ragged wound made by a sharp weapon or by the claws of a wild animal. Lachrymose partings are tearful partings. Lackadaisical attitude means lacking in enthusiasm, half-hearted, languid and listless. Lackluster performances are very dull, humdrum and boring. Laconic people are very brief and to the point. If you are a laggard, it means you are very slow and sluggish. A lagoon is a shallow body of water near a sea or a lake. Actually, a lagoon would be found inside an atoll, Atoll, which is a circular formation of coral reef. Laity means common people, the lay persons. Lambast means to beat or soundly thrash, either physically or verbally. Lament over something means bemoan, Bemoan, which means to grieve or express sorrow. A lampoon is a ridicule, a cartoon. Lancets. A lancet is a small surgical tool used for surgery or to make incisions. Languid means weary, sluggish and listless. Languish. A person who languishes is one who is losing strength and energy. Many Indian fishermen are languishing in Pakistani jails. Means they become weak and hopeless and pine away. Pine, pining away. Langua means lassitude and depression. Lank, tall and lank means long and thin and spindly and reedy. Lap means take in food or drink with one's tongue. A dog would lap the milk. Larceny is theft. Major bank robbery can be called larceny. Larder means a pantry where a place where food is stored or kept. Largesse means generous gift. Lascivious jokes are lustful. Lascivious looks are lustful. Ogling, O-G-L-E, ogle. Ogle means look lasciviously. Lassitude means languor and weariness. Latent means something that is hidden. Lateral means coming from the side. Latitude is leeway, L-E-W-A-Y, which means freedom from narrow limitations. or the scope. Laud means to praise, and lavish means to be liberal and wasteful. Lax means careless. Leaven, yeast is a leavening agent. Sodium bicarbonate or soda, baking soda, can also be called a leavening agents, which means they increase the volume of bread. So leaven means to increase the volume. Lechery means gross lewdness or lustfulness, ribald and body. Lectern is a reading desk. Leer, L-E-E-R, leer means lascivious or sly looks. Ogling, O-G-L-E, ogling at girls or women would mean look very lustily. But leery, I am very leery about his financial advice, means very suspicious, cautious, and cagey, C-A-G-E-Y, which all mean suspicious. Leeway means scope or room to move, latitude. A legacy means a gift made by a will, an inheritance. The inheritor is called a legatee, L-E-G-A-T-E-E. Legend means an explanatory list of symbols on a map. A legend would also mean a fable or an allegory, a story. Legerdemain means sleight of hand. Legerdemain is the skill of a magician or a prestidigitator, which also means a magician. Prestidigitator, prestidigitator. And legerdemain is his skill, the ability to magically contrive or create and conjure something. Leniency means mildness or permissiveness, liberalness. Leonine means like a lion. Lethal poisons are deadly. Lethargic means drowsy and dull. A levee is a small stone embankment similar to a dam, which will check the flow of water. Levitate means to float in air. The antonym is gravitate, which means to come down. Levity is lack of seriousness or flippancy, frivolity, and facetiousness as well, which means lacking seriousness. Levying a tax means imposing. Lewd, L-E-W-D, means lustful, lewd stories. A lexicographer is one who compiles a dictionary. A lexicon is the dictionary. Liability means a drawback or debts. The antonym is assets. Liaison means contact that keeps parties in communication. A synonym could be a rapport, R-A-P-P-O-R-T. Liaison also would mean a secret love affair. Libel suits would mean a defamatory suit. Libel means defamatory statement or act of writing or something that smears a person's reputation. A libertine is a debauched person. A roue, R-O-U-E. A Lothario, a Casanova, a Don Juan, and a debauchee. Libidinous people are lustful. Libido means the emotional urges behind human activity. Sigmund Freud would say that libido is the reserve of biological energy which drives all human activity. A libretto is a text of an opera. An opera is a poem that is set to music. Licentious means lusty, immoral, libidinous, and lascivious, unrestrained. Lien on property means a legal claim. If you don't pay your bills in a hotel, the hotel keeper can have a lien on your luggage. That means he can retain it till you pay the bills. Ligneous means like wood. Lilliputian or Lilliputs are very small people. They are very dwarfish. Limber means very flexible. That is why we limber up before a race. Limbering up means becoming flexible. Limbo means suspended. Abeyance. Limn, L-I-M-N, means to draw or outline and describe. If I ask you your address, you're most likely to start taking a piece of paper and start drawing lines, and you go this way through that road and here and turn and there. So when we do that, that is a limb. We're drawing a limb and explaining our address. Limpid means very clear. Lineage means descent or ancestry, the family tree, or consanguinity. Lineaments are features especially of the face, because linea means lines, linear. So lineaments are features of the face. Linga means to loiter or dawdle or continue and persist and waste time actually. Linguistic means pertaining to language. When you lionize somebody, you treat him as a celebrity and give him awards and praises. Liquidating means settling accounts. Liquidating the Al Qaeda would mean to clear them up, utterly rout them. List, a ship would list, that means tilt, and an aeroplane would bank, B-A-N-K, which means tilt, lean over to the side. Listless means lacking in spirit or energy. A litany is like a bhajan, a supplicatory prayer. Supplication means request. So a litany is like a bhajan where everyone chants. A litany can also mean a long list, a litany of complaints. Lith means flexible and supple and limber. Litigation is a lawsuit. Litotes are understatements. These are understatements used for emphasis. Livid means lead colored, black and blue, ashen. It also means enraged. He was livid with anger, livid with rage. Black and blue, ashen, pale and enraged. Loath, L-O-A-T-H without the E. Loath means unwilling or reluctant, and L-O-A-T-H-E with the E, that means detest or hate. Load means a metal bearing vein. If this load that we have discovered extends for many distance, we have found a fortune. Load is a metal bearing vein. Lofty means something that is very elevated and very high. A log is a record of a voyage or a flight, or a record of day-to-day activities in a ship or a plane. Loiter means to hang around and linger. Loitering in the corridor is not allowed. Loll means to lounge about or recline lazily on a sofa. Lolling on the sofa. Lolling, the tongue is lolling would mean the tongue is hanging loosely, pendulously. Longevity means long life. Loom, war is looming, that means appearing to take shape, threatening to happen. Imminent, something looming is threatening to occur. Lope, L-O-P-E, means to gallop slowly or walk with a long stride. Loquacious people are very talkative. A lout is a clumsy person who doesn't have grace. An oaf, O-A-F. Low, it's a verb. We could hear the cattle low, that means moo, M-O-O. The sound made by cattle, that is cows and sheep and all that. Lucid means something that is easily understood. Lucrative professions are profitable because lucre means money, L-U-C-R-E. Pelf also means money, but pelf is a negative word because pelf means money earned by illegal methods. Ludicrous means laughable, something ridiculous or trifling. Lugubrious means mournful, very sorrowful. Lull is a moment of calm. Lumber, when you're lumbering down the road, that means moving heavily and clumsily, like Inzamamul Haq. Lumen is a unit of light energy. Luminary means a celebrity, dignitary, or a personage, P-E-R-S-O-N-A-G-E, who is a celebrity. Luminous, a luminous object is shining and radiating light. Lunar means pertaining to the moon, and a lunge is what a sword fighter would do. That means make a quick forward dive or thrust, lunging forward. Lurid scenes are wild, sensational, graphic, gruesome, and ghastly. A lurid murder scene. Lurk, lurking stealthily in the darkness, means slink and exist unperceived, like a tiger would lurk in the darkness before it would jump on its prey. Luscious fruits are juicy and pleasing to smell. Luster means the shine and gloss of anything, for that matter glass or diamond has luster. Lustrous means shining. Luxuriant growth of software companies means abundant. Luxuriant would also mean rich and splendid. Macabre, a macabre murder scene would be gruesome and grisly, ghastly and heinous. Mace is a ceremonial staff held by a king, which is a symbol of his power. A synonym for mace is scepter, S-C-E-P-T-R. T-R-E. A mace is also a club-like medieval weapon. Mace is what Bhima and Duryodhana used. Macerate means to soften by soaking in liquid. Machiavellian, like a Chanakya, that means crafty, double-dealing, cunning.